How to quick brush in CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use quick brush tool in CapCut. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the CapCut app on your mobile. And here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on new project. For this video, I'm going to choose this photo as my background. But you can select any image that you like. And once you're done with that, simply tap on Add. Now, let's add an overlay. To do this, just tap on Overlay icon and then select Add Overlay. For this video, I'm going to use this photo as the overlay. So just select the photo and tap on Add. And here, once you have added the photo to the timeline, you can resize it, reposition it however you like. Now, let's remove the background of the overlay. So scroll along the bottom toolbar until you find the option labeled as Remove Background. So once you have found it, simply tap on it and here you will see several options like Auto Removal, Custom Removal and Chroma Key. For Quick Brush, simply tap on Custom Removal. And now you will see a brush size slider. So from here, just brush over the parts of video that you want to keep, and it may take a bit of time and patience, especially for the detail areas, but it's worth it. And if you have accidentally included anything that you don't want, no worries. Just tap on Erase button and clean it up. And once you're happy with the selection, just tap on the check mark in the bottom right corner to confirm, and that's it. Now you have successfully used CapCut Quick Brush to customize your overlay. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.